Local Stouffville just pulled in. There's a wrapped car. FYI, I just ran down here, so I just got here, so this isn't that much of a surprise. But we have 304. First new cab car I've seen on YouTube. This is pretty rare. Signal above track 1 just changed, so that means a westbound's on its way. And here goes the Stouffville local. This train's Audi. It's quite rare. I haven't got a Stouffville local in like a while.
Ooh, special bit of video then, huh?
Yep, Stouffville trains don't stop here often. But there's a westbound on the way. Signal above track 2 or track 1 just turned green. So that means a westbound
so that's the one everybody's waiting for, yeah.
Yep, I presume. And there goes 304. I don't know what locomotive was on the front there. We have a westbound coming. Got a new cab car in the end. Alright, we got the Aldershot bound GO train and ditch lights turned off. New cab car. $334, almost at $354. Original car, 2042. And the train just stopped here. Its door's not open. So the operator just got out of the GO train. Just came out of 334's cab, almost headed 335. And he's going down, I guess, to the end of the train where the locomotive is, or locomotives are. You never know, there might be a double header. Signal still green down there.
Your attention please, passengers at Danforth on track 1, please stand clear of the yellow platform line. This train needs to make a reverse move. Once that is done, the doors will open.
Oh yeah, it overshot. It's a 10 car set. That makes sense. That makes sense.
The train needs to make a reverse move. Once that is done, the doors will open. Thank you.
That makes sense. It's doing a reverse move because it like overshot the 10 sign back there. So that makes a lot of sense. It's the announcement, GO. Because GO, you rock. And by the way, if you love me, let me go. Get it? The train joke. Alright, so the train's about to do a reverse move. First time getting a reverse move on video. Alright, he's about to do a reverse move. So I'm almost walking the same speed as the train. This is rare. Quite rare. A reverse move, you say. Hey! It seems to be by the sign. Alright, its lights flashing. 334 away. Go back here for that shot. Original car 2078. 611. That was a nice reverse move. First time getting one. And I think there's another train. There is another train coming. It's gonna have to go slow, or maybe on track 2. Yeah. That's an express coming, so it's gonna go through slow. Go train coming. And it's a slow express. Express go train. That's a slow express. So it ain't stopping. $3.26. Hey, another train coming. It's an eastbound. I saw an eastbound. Oh my gosh, train, hurry up, hurry the heck up. Man, get that out of here. I think that's a reference to something I've seen. Don't remember what. But there is an eastbound coming, I can guarantee you that. 204. 629. I think I've seen this one before. MB40PH3C. And then there's a eastbound coming. Right down there. You can like see a light. I don't know if you can, but there is a light. So there is an eastbound on the way. It wasn't as close as I thought that eastbound would be. But hey, it'll get here when it gets here. And we have a express coming. Or still will go train. Oh, he's howling through. 618. $3.31. That was amazing speed. Yo, that go train was blazing through. That was epic. There's another eastbound coming. And it's coming fast. And here comes the train. It's gonna go through. Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, he switched tracks. Via, that's a Via for sure. Via Rail, silver banana. Silver banana. 908. Rock Death 40 PH. 6416. Genesis and F40. Hey, don't do that. Via coming. Via. Hey, we got another eastbound. It's gonna be probably might be a train meet. There's an eastbound coming as well. It's gonna be a triple train meet. There's 3 trains. You saw the light of another westbound. He's on track 2. At 40 PH. At 40. 6458. Rebuild LRC code 6. Westbound. And then I see the eastbound all the way down there. New cab car. He's stopping, ditch lights turned off. .309. Local coming in. Local. $6.20. New cab car at the end of that train. $3.43. That was nice, triple train meet. Oh, I think it's about wheel bearing. Oh, original car. $6.47. Oh, 668. Go Transit's newest MP54 AC. 668 is officially in service now. 668. I think I'm like the first person to get 668 on vid. 668. Go Transit's newest MP54 AC along with 647. No effing way. Here goes the Oshawa train.
Good score out here today? Yeah, baby.
Yep.
Let's see what happens.
I'm thinking I'm like the first person to get 668 on vid. 665 or 655 on a billboard. Westbound coming. $3.29. Hey, 2015 original car. That was a few years back. 22, 24, I swear the 4 was a 2. $2.10. $6.31.